robotic process automation. What is that? And what does it, how does it pose a threat to us? So RPA is nothing but robotic process automation, which means the process which you're having, process is nothing but the steps. If suppose you are going to a bank, logging in and downloading some files for your bank statement, what you will be do, you'll first go to a browser and then enter your password and login email IDs, and then you will click on login, and then you go to the relevant folder, and then you paste the time period which you want, and then you click download. That's how you get the file get downloaded, right? In that you can see a sequence of steps, which means first go to browser, then open this, then open this. All these are sequence of steps. There you need not have subject matter expertise to do that aspect. This is a certain process which you are following to do that. So whatever the process you are having, it will be automated by using a robots. That is what is meant by robotic process automation. And it's robo means it's not like Chitty 2.0. It's just like we're having, I'll just show you, these are the companies: UiPath, Automation Anywhere, Blue Prism, Microsoft. These are the top vendors in terms of robotic process automation. What they'll do, they'll give you some software similar to a PPT. This Microsoft PPT, you will have some software wherein you will write all these steps. Like I just now I said, you go to Chrome and do all this stuff, right? In the same way, whatever might be the activity, this is a UiPath Studio, which is a live. You'll just go here, and then you will clear first day you need to start, and then input the data, and then if there is if the website is loaded, true, then go and do this stuff. If the website is not loaded, then press F5. This kind of stuff you will just write in a simple way. So that's how this automation is working. And like I said, these are repetitive steps whenever you are having with specific logic. All this will be automated in the future. So that's how it poses a constant threat to us in the future, unless you are a subject matter expertise. All other jobs where you are working currently, which are data intensive and there are certain repetitive steps, which it will be automated in the nearby future. So make sure you develop in nearby future the subject matter expertise in that. Suppose in that example I can give, there's a manager who works with data analytics. Below him there are 10 persons. Now all these 10 persons will be replaced by the robots in the future, seeing these steps. Like if the work is this kind of with the work is with this kind of logic, it will be repeated. Only the manager who is having expertise or who need to manage at the end, deliver something, his job will be at safe. And saying that, I would like to show you what is the difference between RPA and VBA. Like there are two kind of automations in the market right now. One is RPA. Like I said, RPA is, it can integrate with anything and everything. I'll just show you an example now. Like this is not some example which I took from internet. This is based on, this is what actually I have done to make sure. Before saying you all, I wanted to cross check whether I'm in the right track, or it is just a boom, it's just a fake one, or it's a real one. Okay, I just wanted to confirm. So here what I'm trying to do is, in this video, there's a website wherein I want to download all the invoices. And once this is done, I want to move to next page. Next page, next page. The robot should automatically do that. I don't want to involve in between and say that you need to do this. I already written a flowchart. So now let's see how it's working in action. And also after downloading it, all the invoices from that, I want the vendor name, date, and everything to be kept in some Excel. So let's see how it's working in action. So as you can see, all the details have been updated from the invoices into this, have been feeder into the Excel sheet from the invoices, was based on the OCR. And the second aspect which I want to show for here is once you have Excel, so will we need to post it in Tally or some kind of any other kind of softwares, right? So how does it work? I'll just show you. So here I'm having some data like this. And from this data, all these fields in the Excel needs to be input into some software. Let's see how the robot will be functioning here. See, all the fields are being entered by the robot itself. It's integrating with each and every aspect, and it can integrate with any software. You just need to show the steps, what all it needs to follow. As simple as that. So having said that, now let's come back to here PPT. Having said that, all this is about RPA. But RPA, like I said, these are the softwares or some kind of companies wherein you can get this. If you want to use it, you can just go here. UiPath is a simple one. I have used Automation Anywhere, Blue Prism, and all kind of stuff. But in terms of ease, uh, I think UiPath is the best one, and you can try the studio here. You can download it here and try based on your. It just needs a couple of hours, and if you want training for it, the training is completely free at academyuipath.com. I'll just share the link in the chat too. So as you can see here, the certification is completely free. And in terms of future jobs, like I said, if you want to learn, you can completely learn from here. You need not go to some other like SAP FICO. If you want, you need to pay some lakhs, shell out lakhs and do that stuff, right? But rather than that, you can just do if you want to be, or if you, it may be for your employment or for your internal purpose. If you're dealing with large kind of automation activities, repetitive activities, you can learn this and do it on your own. Like I said, you can download the UiPath. You can download Automation Anywhere also, but these are complicated. Automation Anywhere is a bit complicated compared to this UiPath. So you can, for starting stage, you can use UiPath and learn all the stuff here, and then try it on your own. Now, having said that, like RPA, these all kind of software comes with a cost. So in terms of cost, it's a bit some cost in lakhs and lakhs. So it's a bit very complicated for all the companies to adopt it. So that's why people still are not able to adopt. But you know, in the nearby future, like Microsoft is also coming with Power Automate, which is a open source. So in the long run, I can foresee that it will be a free market, at least a little less pricey market as of now. As of now. So what you can do is you can learn the aspects here, and you can make sure that you are able to understand the process, what is working in your computer, and you are able to automate in the nearby future. So having said that, I would like to make you understand one more thing. Like RPA, I said it can integrate with any application, any Chrome browsers, anything. But there's something called VBA. VBA is nothing but RPA deals with my UiPath and all. Like VBA is nothing like, it's just a code written in a Microsoft Excel. If you can see this, if I press Alt F11, so we are running multiple activities, so it's taking a bit time. You can see here, right, a plain sheet. So here actually I can write any subjects or any codes like this. And here I can write the code whatever I want, and I can develop whatever I want. I can automate whatever I want using Excel. So that is the Visual Basic application. In general, Microsoft applications can use this. If you are dealing with multiple kind of Excel sheets, then all the data which you have can be automated using, if you have, like I said, again, same the sequence of steps can be automated using VBA. Like I said, RBA comes at huge cost, but VBA you can write, if you're good at programming, you can write any code which you want as per your activities. I'll just show you what I mean by that. Suppose just let us take one example, and in, like before I proceed there, I would like to just show you one thing. Here there is no, if you see here, if you see here, there is no add in React Smart, right, just now. So but now I'm having some sheets. If you see, there are multiple zip files here, right? I want to extract all it at once. If I go and extract, click and extract every time, it takes huge amount of time. Rather than that, what I can do is I'll just double click this, add in. You can download it wherever you want. You can keep it anywhere. You just need to click enable macros whenever you want. So you can see now it's VX Smart here, right? I'll just click on it. This is the tool which I was saying in the mail. So first of all, before using it, even if someone gives me this kind of tool, I'm actually very skeptic about using it because I don't know what happens to my data, right? So what I can do is before using it, I have given a backup file. Once you just click that backup file, whatever the file you currently working on, it backs up in the same folder. Like you can see this, right? It backs up in the same file folder, and then you can move on and do all that stuff like all the repetitive activities automation here. So the activities first, I will just show you how it works. Like just now I have shown you zip files, right? I just want to extract all that. What I'll do is I'll just click unzip all. So these are the total 30 functions which I've included in. These are actually customer based functions which we have drawn for specific customers. But to make people aware about the automation and help them in automating their activities, we have kept it each and every separate levels, and you can use it in a combinations. Like unzip can be used with merging and all, which you will learn in the coming 2 minutes. So first of all, I need to show you this zip file, this zipper here, right? You can see these 3 files were here. I'll just go and click OK. And the code will be running in the backend. Now, if you go here and see unzip files, all the files are extracted here. As simple as that. It just took a 1 minute. And even if there are hundreds of files there, it hardly takes me 2 to 3 minutes. And if I want to merge all the sheets from that, I'll just click on merge all sheets. These files are here, right? Excel, yes. The system is a bit slow, like, Skype, Chrome, PPT and all running. But in general, it takes hardly 30 seconds. Like you can see, all the files are extracted from the 3 files. All the files are extracted. Just a couple of minutes. No, not even minutes, it's seconds. Now, what if I don't want all the sheets? I just want one specific sheet from all this. I'll just click on merge specific sheet. And I'll say these are here. And I want only the second sheet from all that. See, all the second sheet files are here now. As simple as that. But just think of hundreds of files who are dealing with MIs kind of thing. How much time it takes for them to do all this stuff. You can use it for renaming your CSV file to XLX or XLX to CFV. And also, one more feature which we have added is PDF to Excel. Suppose here there's a PDF file. This is a premium feature. So in general, we sometimes we need to convert PDF files into Excel, but we can't use the online softwares like I Love PDF and all. Then what you can do is just click on this one. Let us go and see how it goes. As you can see, the PDF is converted to XLX. All the details are here, as you can see, in each and every column. Just imagine how much time it will take for you to extract all the invoices and do this kind of stuff. It hardly takes a couple of minutes. And like I said, there are many programs running in the background, so it's taking a bit time, or else it would have been done in less than 30 seconds. And if there are multiple files here, if you want to split each file, you can use these files into separate. Now, from all this, like I'll just show you. Now, as you can see here, I'm having multiple data, right? All this I want to be in one place. This one is with spaces. In general, sometimes when you download reports from ERP and all, you will be having spaces, right? What you can do is you can use a merge with spaces here. I'll just come here and I'll click on merge with spaces. This one, add in. I want to filter based on third column. As simple as that. Done. Every sheet is here. It's combined into one. See how simple is that? And if I want all this to be split, as you can see, all this data I want to be split in based on row count. Sometimes we might be needing only every 10 to be in separate so that we can send it to some clients. Then you can just click on split based on row count. I want to be in 10. As you can see, everywhere is there. All the sheets are formed from for 10. Every the data is completely divided into 10. Last one was that there. So as simple as that, working with this tool. And these are multiple functions here, like all can't be explained now. So what we have done is, when you use the tool, if you want any specific inputs and how to use that one, all these videos are here. VxSmart.com automation, wherein you can watch the video. This is the link which is providing. So here you can go and check how to use the demo, how to install it, and how can you unzip or merge what all the files, and how you'll have a practical idea about what all can be done with this one, just within a couple of hours. No, not even hours, it's just 10 minutes. So like now I said, if I want to merge based on different headers, and this one is like me, I have seen some more tools wherein this kind of activities are being done. But the only problem with them is you need to install that. When you install it, your confidentiality is at risk or your data security is at risk, right? So what with this, what you can do is, if I want to say, I'll just show you. So here I'm having multiple data like this in different shades, and the columns are also very different. If you see, job is here, and then here I education ID unknown, this is a different one here. These are, everything is different here, right? Now I want all this to be in one. It's a VLOOKUP kind of thing, all this to be in one. What I can do is, here if you see, there is no add in here, right? I'll just go here and I'll double click that VxSmart. Now as soon as you enable the macros, you'll get the VxSmart here. I'll click merge with different headers. See, all the sheets are here, and each and every unique column is also here. As you can see, second started from unknown, right? So unknown is starting only from second 162. So that's how it works. It's a VLOOKUP there, as simple as that. And there are many more, like I said, conditions here. If you want to use hyperlinks, or if you want to use sheets for each and everything, and there on one more thing where you can automatically send multiple emails. All these are here. Like I said, everything can't be explained here in this 30-minute call. All these are here in the link which I provided. You can just go through it before using it, so that you will be able to easily use that. And saying that, like today, this is the tool which will be providing you. The way you can use it. So how you can download it here? You just go to webinars on the VxSmart website, and here if you register your name, email ID, mobile number, automatically this file will be sent to you. So you will get a mail like this Excel automation tool, wherein all the 3 attachments will be there. If you're having a zip file, use this file, it will extract. Or else if you're not having a zip file, you can download it separately here. In the mail, you will get all the 3 attachments. But do use it, and so that your work will be simplified. And the main reason for us to keep this as an add-in rather than a Excel tool rather than a software is, you need not install it. You just download it and keep it anywhere you want. But whenever you want, just double click it. It's open and it's done. Once you are done with the work, you can close it. No data at risk, nothing at risk. And it's completely within your system. You can delete whenever you want, or you can install whenever you want. So that's the reason we are coming up with a tool rather than a software. And saying that, so like, as I think you are able to understand the RPA and VBA and different concepts of automation and how different tools are working, right? So based on with the final conclusion, which I want to say is, the subject matter expertise, there is no need to worry about automation. But in terms of repetitive process, which has a sequence of steps which can be automated, think about it. Do add some certifications to you so that it will be helpful for you in the long run, or else it may be replaced, like I said, your RP and VBA kind of thing. Recently in Mumbai, I had a client wherein he had some data every day. Some 20 companies used to send him some data, and he need to cross check that data with the ERP system. So one person was specifically there for that task, which used to take couple of days. But with the VBA code which I have shown you, it's hardly taking him 1 hour. 30 minutes, less than 30 minutes. So that's so simple. That's how automation works. So make sure you're adding your skills there rather than going on repetitive process. And based on client requirements, we also give this is a standard tool which we are providing, but based on standard client requirements, we provide customized tools also. And also in our website, for the benefit of public at large or CES or clients, anyone, we are providing a COL. If you see question and answers, you can ask any question to us. With subject matter experts or chartered accountants like us will be answering these questions. You can ask any question and you'll get the answer for this here. And also we are providing a news wherein you will be updated with the latest trends in the market. So that's it for me from my side. Any questions you have, feel free to ask.
There is one question in the chat.
Hi Mega, so I can see your question PDF to Excel. So as of now, we have only incorporated PDF to Excel, like many files are from PDF to Excel. In the future, if the client requires or any other requirement is come, we can change it to PDF to Word. And Aishwarya Jain, have we added it's just simple. You just download it, and when you double click it, it automatically opens. You need not install or do anything. I hope it answers the questions. And like I said, in the chat window, we have given a link for automation wherein just fill your details and this tool will be sent to you over email in the next 10 minutes. If you don't get it, just check the spam mail. In case we don't have any question, I think we can wrap it up. Any other questions? Technical or normal? I know it's been a very fast express ride because I said I committed to commit in 30 minutes. It's actually a couple of hours concept. So how can we ensure safety is that you need not install this add-in. Once you download it, it's completely yours. You can delete whenever you want. Whenever you want, you just double click it will open, and you will get the VXMAT add-in there in the like just now I've shown you. You need not install or do anything with that. So that's how the data is secured with you. It's only with you. It's not going beyond your computer at any point of time. No, only when you need it, you can use it. So that's the main point why we are coming as an add-in rather than software. If you use a software, every time you open your Excel sheet, the add-in, the VXMart will come and it will drag down your Excel performance. So that's why we are using it add-in so that you will use it only when you need it, rather than decreasing your Excel performance and also putting your data at risk. I hope I answered your question, Kushal. So that's it from my end, guys. Thank you for your time. Looking forward for you to use the tool and share it with your friends who are working on automation things so that it will be easier a workflow for them. Thank you all. Bye.